Hi everyone, we're here out camping today, and this company was kind enough to send me this portable propane shower to try it out. Let's open the box, show you everything you get, and then we'll show it to you in action. Everything is very well packaged to protect during shipping. So you get some hoses for a shower, a cigarette lighter, a couple adapters, some more hoses. It's like propane adapter. Everything's super well packaged. You get a user manual and some warranties and the unit itself. So this line is for cold water. It has a pump at the end with a filter mesh, so you can throw this like in a bucket, or if you're in a super clear lake, you can throw it in the lake to draw water. It's a quick disconnect, very easy to connect, and everything's clearly labeled, says pump. So you get a shower head. So you get one O-ring that was already inside, and you get an extra one. You get a really long, looks like a silicone hose. Very soft. Go into red line. Same thing, quick disconnect. Let's connect a propane line. That's where a propane tank is gonna go. Let's install the shower head holder. This will hold your shower head. This is a liquid propane unit at 20,000 BTU, and it flows 0.8 gallons per minute, and it has 4,000 milliamp hour battery built in, so it accepts the smaller propane tanks. So we got some clean cold water. Throw a pump in there. So when you turn it on, it shows you water temp inlet. That's how cold water is going into the unit, and that's the water temperature coming out. Battery charge status indicator. You get a pump button and on and off button. You can adjust water temperature that you like. Let's set it to like 111. Turn the pump on. You can hear a pump turn on. And there's an on and off switch. You can turn on and off the water on the actual shower head. You can hear a unit light it up. And the water temp is climbing. And it's gonna go to your desired temperature. Oh, there's hot water. You can also change between different water flows. And when you turn it off, pump automatically turns off, and heater turns off by itself when there's no water flowing. This is perfect for camping, or if you're an outdoor person, or even use it at home to wash yourself off before pool or after pool, or washing your head. This is really amazing, having hot water all the time running. If you're an outdoor person or you do a lot of camping, you should definitely take a look at this. Really nice product. Definitely recommend this.